Hey guys, it's Charlie, and in today's video, I'll be showing you how to hire a bookkeeper overseas. Now, first I'll say congratulations on choosing to hire a bookkeeper overseas. I think that is the right move to make. And the reason is because even if you use a bookkeeping service based in the United States or wherever you are, it's very likely that they are outsourcing this work to overseas people. Or if you're having your CPA do your bookkeeping for you, that gets really expensive. It's really not the best use of their time, and you're definitely overpaying for bookkeeping if you're using your CPA. So yeah, bookkeeping, it really is one of the best things to outsource to overseas. And I know this because I have an overseas bookkeeper myself. They handle the books and a lot of the accounting for all of my companies, and it has been an absolute game changer. So if you are watching this video, I just want to say, please hire that overseas bookkeeper. So the first thing you guys need to be aware of when it comes to hiring a bookkeeper overseas is knowing what the job entails. Likely you guys have already thought through this step, but basically a bookkeeper is going to do all your record keeping for you. So they're going to maintain accurate records of all your transactions. We're talking income, expenses, all that stuff. They're going to handle the bank reconciliation, your accounts payable, your accounts receivable. They'll help categorize all your expenses. They may be able to help you run payroll as well. They'll provide monthly reports to you. They can handle invoicing, all that stuff. And yeah, it's a very crucial role for every business. The general salary for an overseas bookkeeper can range, right? It depends if you're hiring them part-time or full-time. I'd say part-time, you should be able to find someone for $300 to $600 per month. And full-time, you should be able to find someone from $500 to $1,000 per month. If you guys do need help with hiring someone overseas, my company Paired Recruiting, we can absolutely help you. We have an amazing team of recruiters both in Indonesia as well as in Latin America. And yeah, we are very good at helping you guys find the best talent possible. So yeah, if you guys want to learn more, you guys can check out our website down below in the description, learn a little bit more about our services, and fill out the form if you actually want to get started. Okay, so now the second step when it comes to finding your overseas bookkeeper is creating a job description. A job description is basically going to cover everything that you want this person to do. It's going to talk about your company culture a little bit, about what your company does. And it's also going to have minimum requirements that you want this person to have. This is a very important part because let's say you want someone to have at least 2 years of experience with QuickBooks or whatever accounting software you use. That's very important to have because people that read that don't have that requirement, they're just not going to apply, and that's going to save you a lot of time. After you have this job description created, what you're going to do is you're going to post it on a bunch of job boards. You may want to do manual outreach to people that currently have jobs and are not looking for a new job. You might want to post on social media. Yeah, there are a lot of ways you guys can sort of get exposure for your job listing. For me, the types of people that do really well with bookkeeping, they're going to be extremely organized. They're going to be very good with data. They're going to have a lot of attention to detail. They're going to have experience doing bookkeeping for companies that are similar to yours. They may have some type of certification. So for example, if you want to use QuickBooks for your company, it might be important to find someone that has QuickBooks Pro Advisor certification. And of course, they do need to be trustworthy as well. So you may want to do some type of background check or a reference check. These are the qualities that you're looking for in a successful bookkeeper. And basically, once you post your job listing to the internet or wherever it is, you're likely going to get a good amount of people actually applying for the job. So the next step is to go through that list, check the resumes, check their cover letter, check whatever else they provided, and narrow this down. Some things that we do at Paired Recruiting is we have one-way video interviews. We have them do different assessments. We have actual interview calls with the talent. And when you do this properly, you'll narrow, let's say 300 or 400 applicants all the way down to 1 or 2. After that, you're going to want to do final round interviews where you really get to know this candidate. Be prepared with questions that you can ask them. You guys can learn about their hobbies, their personality, their time commitments, their schedule, all that stuff. And then you'll basically make an informed decision on who you want to hire out of everyone. If you want, you can give them some type of assessment that tests their knowledge on QuickBooks or whatever accounting software you use. And then yeah, after that part, you've officially found someone to hire, you've negotiated the salary with them, and then you officially onboard them to your company. After you choose someone, I'm going to sort of brush over the steps that you want to take. First, you're going to want to figure out how to pay them. Now, for most of our clients, we just recommend using Deal. We do have a 20% code down below if you guys do want to use that, but there are other options. You guys can use PayPal, Wise, Payoneer. You're going to want to onboard them and get them used to your systems, your SOPs. Have a big onboarding call with them so that they can really learn your business. And yeah, expect the whole onboarding process to take maybe 1 to 2 weeks. I guarantee you though, if you find someone good and you properly onboard them, they're going to make your life a lot easier. Because as a business owner, we don't want to, focus our energy and time on chasing invoices from our clients. We don't want to do bookkeeping ourselves. There's so many better things that you can use your time for. And yeah, so personally for me, having my bookkeeper has really made my life a lot easier. It made the companies run a lot more smoothly. It's made invoicing a lot better. It's saved me a ton of money. Yeah, I've gone through it, so that's why I really recommend you guys, if you are thinking about hiring a bookkeeper, make sure that they are overseas. Make sure you find find the right person. And if you do need help with this, we can absolutely help you. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can hire an overseas bookkeeper. Trust me, there's a lot of great talent out there. It's hard to find them. It's hard to identify the right people for your company. But when done right, having an overseas bookkeeper will be a game changer for your business. Again, if you guys want to learn more about our recruiting services, check out the link down below. We would love to help you. And yeah, also give this video a like and subscribe if you want to learn more about overseas hiring. This whole channel is dedicated to helping you build your overseas team correctly. Thank you so much for your time, and I'll see you in the next video.